Class 1 Arithmetic Revision 4. Hello children. Today's topic is story sums and tables. I hope you remember. I will tell you again. Once you know your basic, then you will encounter story problems, also known as word problems, which require you to read a problem and decide which operation to perform in order to get the answer. There are some keywords which indicate which operation you will use. I will give you a list of them. But remember that for many problems there may not be a keyword, and you will have to use your best judgment in order to figure out what to do. So, what are story sums? To solve story sums, you have to read the problem very carefully. Then you have to find out which operation you need to perform to get the answer. There are a few keywords for addition and subtraction. You will not always find the keywords in the problem. Then you have to use your intelligence to solve it. In story sums, there are some words that indicate which operation you will use. The keywords for addition are sum, total, more than, altogether, in all, combine, extra, raise, plus, both, additional. I repeat, sum, total, more than, altogether, in all, combine, extra, raise, plus, both, additional. In order to solve a story or word problem successfully, read the entire problem thoroughly. Make a list of the number information you will need. Write out the number equation you will need to solve. So children, today we will do the practice work that was given to you in the previous class. Number 1. 7 red apples and 2 green apples are in the basket. How many apples are in the basket? Number of red apples in a basket. Number of green apples in a basket. Therefore, total number of apples in the basket is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And the answer is there are 9 apples in the basket. There are 9 apples in the basket. And it is mandatory to draw the plus sign and the therefore sign. It is mandatory to draw the plus sign and the therefore sign. Number 2, the Millers bought 15 superhero costumes and 14 animal costumes for a Halloween party. How many costumes in all did the Millers buy from Halloween. I repeat, the Millers bought 15 superhero costumes and 14 animal costumes for a Halloween party. How many costumes in all did the Millers buy for Halloween? Number of superhero costumes 15. Number of animal costumes 14. 15 plus 14, 29. Therefore, total number of costumes the Millers bought 29, and the answer is 29 costumes the Millers bought for Halloween. Write the statement correctly is very important. Number 3. On a weekday, the women and children coach in a tube train has 15 women and 5 children. How many passengers were on board the coach? Number of women in a tube train 15. Number of children in a tube train 5. 15 plus 5, 20. Therefore, total number of passengers 20. And the answer is 20 passengers were on board. So, we are done with revising story sums and now practice the following sums. Manish had 15 stamps. His father gave him 4 more. How many stamps does Manish have now? Number 2. There are 12 bananas and 6 oranges in a basket. How many fruits are there in the basket? Number 3. Rohit got 9 marks in one test and 8 marks in another test. How many marks did he get in all? Number 4. Peter has to buy 12 books for himself and 5 books for his sister. How many books does Peter have to buy? Number 5. 13 children are playing cricket. 6 more join them. How many children are playing cricket now? Number 6. Joy has 12 marbles. Nasim gave him 8 more. How many marbles does Joy have now? Number 7. There are 7 chairs in a room. 8 more are brought in. How many chairs are there in the room now? Number 8. Kapil scored 8 runs in the first cricket match. He scored 11 runs in the second match. How many runs did he score in all? Number 9. There are 9 girls and 8 boys in the playground. How many children are there? Number 10. 12 children boarded a school bus at the first stop. 7 children boarded the bus at the second stop. How many children are there in the bus now? Subtraction. In story sums, there are some words that indicate which operation you will use. The keywords for subtraction are decrease, differences, left, minus, subtract, deduct, how many more, less than, remain, take away. I repeat, decrease, differences, left, minus, subtract, deduct, how many more, less than, remain, take away. Now, we will do the practice work that was given to you in the previous class. Number 1. There are 33 cakes in a shop. 12 cakes are sold. How many are left? Number of cakes in a shop 33. Number of cakes are sold 12. Now 33 minus 12 is equal to 21. Therefore, number of cakes are left 21. It is mandatory to draw the minus sign and the therefore sign, and the answer is 21 cakes are left. Number 2. Captain sees 42 cars. Tiger sees 20 cars. What is the difference? Number of cars captain sees 42. Number of cars tiger sees 20. 42 minus 20 is equal to 22. Therefore, number of cars not seen by tiger 22, and the answer is 22 cars are not seen by tiger. Number 3. There are 15 birds. 10 birds flew away. How many are left? Number of birds 15. Number of birds flew away 10. So, 15 minus 10 equal to 5. Therefore, number of birds left 5, and the answer is 5 birds are left. Number 4. There are 54 chairs. 32 of them are broken. How many are left? Number of chairs 54. Number of chairs broken 32. 54 minus 32 equal to 22. Therefore, number of chairs left 22, and the answer is 22 chairs are left. Number 5. Deepa has 78 stickers. Bobby has 44 stickers. How many more stickers does Deepa have? Number of stickers Deepa has 78. Number of stickers Bobby has 44. 78 minus 44 equal to 34. Therefore, number of more stickers Deepa has 34, and the answer is Deepa has 34 more stickers. So, we are done with the revising story sums. Now, practice the following sums. The balloon seller had 18 balloons. He sold 7. How many balloons are left with him? Number 2. Manish had 16 storybooks. He gave 5 to his friends. How many are left with him? Number 3. Satish had 19 stamps. He lost 7. How many stamps does he have now? Number 4. Kia picked 15 flowers. She gave 6 to her mother. How many flowers are left with her? Number 5. 14 birds are sitting on a tree. 8 of them fly away. How many birds are left on the tree? Number 6. Geeta had 16 dolls. She gave 9 to her friends. How many dolls does she now have. Number 7. Mr. Rao bought 18 oranges. His children ate 7 of them. How many oranges are left? Meena has 8 toys. Tina has 12 toys. How many more toys than Meena does Tina have? Number 9. Deepa got 18 marks in a test. Anil got 9 marks. How many more marks than Anil did Deepa get? Number 10. Priya is 15 years old. Her brother Vimal is 8 years old. By how many years is Priya older than Vimal? Today's second topic is tables. Now we will start multiplying from 2 to 5. And I also hope you have learned the tables till 5. Let us revise once again. And if you have not learned, do learn it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So, we are done with revising tables. Now, practice the following sums. Fill in the blanks. 2 into 4 equal to dash, 2 into 8 equal to dash, 3 into 6 equal to dash, 4 into 4 equal to dash, 3 into 5 equal to dash, 5 into 3 equal to dash, 5 into 9 equal to dash, 4 into 8 equal to dash, 3 into 9 equal to dash, 5 into 7 equal to dash. Dash into 5 equal to 10, dash into 3 equal to 9, 4 into dash equal to 20, 4 into dash equal to 28, 5 into dash equal to 50, dash into 1 equal to 5, dash into 2 equal to 4, 2 into dash equal to 14, dash into 8 equal to 24, 4 into dash equal to 40. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Watch the videos properly, read the book, practice the sums. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.